Guys, back at it again. It's Elizabeth, and today we are playing Granny. I actually had to defeat Spider Baby, but that was off camera. But guess what I found? The shotgun. So now we can try to do this, and I got my unlimited ammo right there. That's we can do it. Ugh. Come on! I suck at these. Can I zoom in? No. Zoom in. Shoot. Did I get it? This is gonna be hard. Well, I'll come back when I got them all, because I'm very bad at these and it's gonna take forever. Okay, well, I didn't get that, but I actually remember something else I could do with this. Right. Get that. Into this down here. Get up. What's this? Don't I need, like, crowbar? Cutting pliers, and I know where those are at. So let me drop that. Let me go get the cutting pliers. Okay, guys, so we got the cutting pliers. It's the moment of the truth. Ah! Holy crap, there's a dead body. That's the helicopter key. Okay, we might need that. Oh my gosh, that thing is ugly. Okay, we might need that later on. Okay, well, put that over there. Now let's go over here. And yeah, that's still locked. Yeah. So let me try to shoot these real quick, and I'll be back when I do. Just in time. Okay, so we got it, and actually give credit to my little brother. He's the one who did it. Okay, I can open this door now. What next? What's this? Glass fuse? Yeah, I just choked on my spit. Oh, crap. I just died. Ah, darn it. Oh, wait, I didn't die. I fell.
What happened?
They tricked me.
How?
Now I have to...
Go all the way back up and start all that shooting?
No, I just have to find glass fuse, which I think I know where that is, but I don't want to look all around the house and leave my viewers waiting. So I'll be back when I, find it. Okay, so I found the glass fuse, and, oh, I'm not sure if I can walk across now, so, okay, I can walk across. Okay, what next? What's this? Don't you eat my noodles, Tyson.
I just had to go through
Hand grenade, grenades? Why do I need grenades? I found the helicopter! I found the helicopter!
Good job! I'm proud of you.
What's this door?
Proud of you.
Oh, that was just a net other. So that's what that was happening. That's so cool, but why do I need the grenades?
Probably because you got a grenade, Granny.
Maybe. Okay, now what do I do? Wait, let me see if okay, I can get... Okay. How do I do this? Now that I actually found the helicopter, what's this? Fuel. Okay, I know where that is. Just gonna kind of take a look around and see what everything I need. I know I obviously need the manual and the key for it. And duct tape, maybe? Not really sure. So, why do I need grenades? Why is there grenades? I just want to see what happens with these grenades. Throw. I threw it. Now what?
Oh, you just got back? Yeah, I just got back.
Well, that did nothing. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go get everything I need and I think I need, so I will be back. So I picked up the helicopter manual and I got all these items. So it said I can now control the helicopter. So I'm gonna fill up the tank. So now it's full. Duct tape. Now I'm not sure if I need this. So I'm just gonna, whoopsies, stand back up. I'm gonna grab the helicopter key. We're just gonna get in this helicopter. Oh, but I don't know if I need them grenades though. What happens when I throw it? Throw a grenade. What happens? Oh, it just blows up. No grenade, I guess. Should I? Let's get out of here. Let me throw that. There, okay. Okay. Let me grab the key. What did I do with the key? What did I do with, oh, here it is, okay. I got the helicopter key. Now I think we can get in. Why can't I start it yet? I have the key. I thought I had the manual too. And it said I can start the helicopter. What? I'll be back when I figure out what to do next. I'm completely confused, so I will be back. I'm gonna go look up actually how to do this.